Hello guys, welcome to the Deleterious Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to talk about vocabulary and lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 23 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. So, first of all, what did we cover in the last episode? The first word was imminent. It is adjective, and if you say that something is imminent, especially something unpleasant, you mean it is almost certain to happen very soon. The second word was stringent. It is also an adjective, and stringent laws, rules or conditions are very severe or are strictly controlled. The third word was pity. It is an adjective and you can use pity to describe things such as problems, rules or arguments which you think are unimportant or relate to unimportant things. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that we provide a writing correction service. And if you are stuck at a band 6.5 or less in writing section, we can help you for sure. So you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now let's look at our first word. It is deleterious and it is an adjective. Something that has a deleterious effect on something has a harmful effect on it. Let's look at the synonyms. Harmful, bad, destructive. Let's go for the example. Petty crime is having a deleterious effect on community life. Let's look at the collocations, deleterious effect. And the grammar part. The adverb is deleteriously and the noun is deleteriousness. Let's jump to our second word, ruthless. It is an adjective, and if you say that something is ruthless, you mean that you disapprove of them because they are very harsh or cruel and will do anything that is necessary to achieve what they want. Let's go for the synonyms. There are no direct synonyms to word ruthless. Let's jump to the examples now. And an invasion by a ruthless totalitarian power. Let's go for the collocations. Ruthless in, more ruthless. And let's go for the other things. The adverb is ruthlessly. The example could be the party has ruthlessly crushed any sign of organized opposition. It is also an uncountable noun, ruthlessness, and the example could be a powerful political figure with a reputation for ruthlessness. Let's jump to our next word, amend. It is a verb, and if you amend something that has been written, such as a law or something that is said, you change it in order to improve it or make it more accurate. Let's look at the synonyms. Change, improve, reform or fix. Let's go for the example. The president agreed to amend the constitution and allow multi-party elections. Let's go for the collocations. Amended the act, amended the constitution, as amend by. Let's look at the other things. The V3 form is amended, the adjective is amendable, and the noun is amender. In the next video, we will cover the word desperate, grim, judicious, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you so much.